Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss another video. Today, I'll be showing you another all-time favorite which helped me grow my hair and as well as strengthen my hair strands. I love using this before I do my protective styles. If you try this, you'll notice that your hair will instantly feel much stronger. I kid you not, it really does work that fast. The first ingredient is banana. Yes, bananas are good for hair growth. They contain natural oils that make your hair softer and strengthen your hair follicles and can also prevent dandruff. Bananas are good for hair growth. They are rich in potassium and silica, which makes them a superfood for your hair. The second ingredient is egg. Eggs contain vitamins A and E, and biotin. This is just some of the nutrients found in eggs, which helps keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is also loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. The third ingredient is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise contains vegetable oil which increases hair softness, hydration, and strength. Mayonnaise is packed with amino acids and fatty acids, which helps to hydrate your hair and keeps your hair healthy and fresh. It is a great conditioner, I love it. I then topped up with avocado oil. Avocado oil reduces dandruff, prevents breakage, and also helps stimulate blood flow and unclog blocked follicles. These effects may help fight hair loss. Blend everything together to get a smooth consistency. Please be sure to strain the mixture. Banana has seeds that can get stuck in your hair and cause irritation of the scalp. My next secret ingredients is MSM and moringa leaf powder. Guys, MSM promotes the formation of bonds at the follicle level. These bonds strengthen existing hair strands and help promote new growth. And moringa leaf powder is a powerhouse ingredient by itself. It has a large variety of rich minerals, including zinc, essential for healthy hair production, and antioxidants to help boost keratin production. It helps restore strength, promote hair growth, and repair damage. Yes, moringa provides many benefits for hair. It improves overall hair health, which could lead to thicker hair. I then transferred this mixture into a container to make it easier for me to apply onto my hair. Another secret to retaining length is to always detangle your hair before you shampoo it. I love to put my hair in sections. This just helps me in having control. I used water to dampen my hair. Sectioning your hair into 4 and then sectioning the 4 sections into 4 sections again has been a magic trick that helps with gaining control over my hair, and the process just goes much quicker since I know how many sections I have. Finger detangling before I use my combs and brushes really is doing the magic trick for me. I find that my hair sheds less, and it's less painful. I then go ahead and twist the part that I have detangled. Guys, I just thought I should remind you that it is normal for your hair to shed. On average, a person sheds between 50 to 100 hairs a day. And also check the length of the hairs that sheds. It's supposed to be more or less the same length as your hair. If not, then that's when you need to be worried. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. By doing so, it helps this channel to reach more viewers out there. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And finally, the last one. So before applying the mask, you can wash your hair with any shampoo of your choice. If your hair unravels after washing it, it's totally okay. Just gain back your control by parting the sections again. I don't have a specific method of applying this mask. Just make sure you apply it to your roots and to the hair strands and slowly work it through your hair. And if you find knots, you can slowly detangle and twist back the twists. Make sure you give your ends as much love as well. And finally, I put a shower cap on and let that marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then rinse it out with cold water. Just look at how clean my scalp is. You can follow up with a deep conditioner and let it dry. Do this once or twice a month depending on your routine, and trust me, you'll get the results with being consistent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what works for you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.